Muscle up, and you're tuned into my car channel. I'm over here in Gilbert at the Cars and Coffee, or the first car show of the month, Famous 66. We're about to take a stroll through here, see what they're working with. It looks like it's a packed parking lot. I've never been to this car show, so it should be some cool cars here. Hit that like, hit that. Looks like we got an old, what is that, Roadmaster leaving? Patina. Got a couple Chevelles over here. The SS. You got a 70 and 72. The Cyclone. Got a Lotus over here. I'm gonna drop I don't know if this is a Impala, like I don't know, 60, maybe a 69, 70. That's pretty original. Over here with a blower on it. I would have loved to hear this pulling up. Look at that motor. Monster. Monster blower on here. That looks like something that's right at home on the drag. It's a 60, well, maybe a 67 box. 67, I want to say a Chevelle. A couple more Chevys over here. The SS right here looks like a beast too. It's got some welds on it. Malibu. 60, probably 68. And this got some nice meats on it. Look at those rear tires. Monsters. Monster. Got the rally stripes. A clean paint job too. Tastefully done. Another Lack over here, 4-door. Blacked out grille. Got the military green. Look like it's sitting on air ride. Take a peek inside. Look like it's pretty stock inside. Yeah, it is air ride. Another Chevelle. Another 70. Couple of hot rods. Green Monte Carlo got a nice little paint on it. Take a peek at the interior. Pretty stock. Old school. It's nice. You don't see a lot of Monte Carlos. Not this year, not the 70s. 67 Camaro over here. SS. Looks pretty stock. Got some Hoosiers on the back. Thing's got the old school stance on it. This is how they used to roll down the old Ford 100. Got a nice Cobra right here. Love the color. And it's got a coyote. It's got a coyote in it. So you got that modern performance. So many variations of these cars. Every one is different, what makes them cool. They all got their own personality. Bad Boys. This is iconic for that movie.
I'm painting mine right now outside. Yeah, my buddy.
Got a clean LS up in there, engine base clean. Paint job is glass on this thing. Look at the body. Body is, man, nice. Did a great job on this. Perfect color combination. Got this mocha inside. Nice. Man, that's clean. Look at the CUDA, you guys. Hemi CUDA in the house. Hell's Hemi. Clean. Man, bad boy look clean. Smooth off firewall. Nice little serpentine setup. Here you got all the nice little modern touch to it. Not overly done. And you got a little cup holder down there. And it's got some big meats on it. I like these body styles. One of my favorites. ZZ4 crate motor. It's got a metallic paint job on it. Nice. Disc brakes.
Costs a lot of money, right?
It's clean.
Yeah. What do you got? Pictures?
Horseshoe shifter.
Exactly. You saw your pictures?
A little sound system up in it.
$20
Nice.
grand for that car, 25
Nice.
or 30 for the one next.
Oh, I never said anything like that. He had a 69 628 right here. All these AM lines now. Purple and orange. Leave it open.
Ford's up here. Not a bad turnout for Gilbert. Oh, Gilbert Car Show. Usually the big car shows are in Scottsdale, Phoenix area. This one's not bad. At the famous 66. Never ate here. Might have to come check this place out. Old Ranchero. Yeah, it's kind of got the Bob's Big Boy theme going on. Yeah, the old school Paula 64. Things sound quiet too. The way he working that steering wheel, it looks like it's soft stock. Nice blue on it though. It's clean, white interior. Looks like it's sitting on some maybe some Trues. I don't know if those are Trues and Vols or these. Yeah, some
Your
D's.
right tail lights are out.
It's clean. Pontiac's answer to the Chevelle and the Cutlass. These are nice driving cars, man. They just didn't get the same props as the Chevelle because it was a Pontiac. But similar chassis, setup, suspension, just different tail lights and body and stuff, but basically similar to the Cutlass and the Chevelle and the Pontiac Le Mans. These were all competing for similar customers. But this interior is pretty original. It just did a paint on here, but it's missing some trimmings on it. Cars and Coffee out here in Gilbert. Some different cars. Some of these cars I haven't seen before because I've never been to this car show. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you have a favorite car. And if you're in AZ, hit me up. Hopefully I can meet up with you at the next car show. There are Lambos over here. And what caught my attention was the wheels. It's got like the bead locks on here. So that tells me that it's got something that's not stock. And that's always an interest to me. So I wonder if it's got a turbo kit on it or if it's supercharged. Let's see if I can see something. I don't see anything out in the open, so it must be turboed. Must be a turboed Lambo, a turboed Huracan. And you got the black right next to it. They must be homies. Homies that like to roll together. OP610. Out here in the parking lot on my way out. Figure I'd come take a peek at them before I leave. Couple of Apollos. Yeah, that's kind of cool. The car show wasn't a bad turnout. Clean. Nice paint jobs. The Trues. And this is in a parking lot across the street from the famous 66. To pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed. I gotta hurry up and wash my ass. Go to BigKirk916.com, pick you up a bar of soap, and wash your ass, or else you're gonna be under arrest too. Oh shit. Store and pick you up a sticker for your car, or a patch, or a sticker for your laptop, or maybe a beanie, or read one of the many books that Big Herc 916 has authored. You know how we do it.